Today this video is about the COVID negative report which has not been strictly checked at the Patra Devi border. And this has been happening on a regular basis, and I have here with me a passenger who travels Goa, Pune, Goa on a regular basis. So this is where the checks are not being done, money is collected and people are let scot-free into Goa. That is from entering from Maharashtra into Goa. So I will talk to this passenger who's been traveling and let him share his experience as to what is happening at the border. Please do share your experience with everyone.
Okay. I've been in this luxury bus, in the sleeper bus, where the bus enters Patra Devi, and the conductor, the driver, the bus people, they very openly tell the people, if you do not have a test, continue sitting in the bus and pay 250 rupees and do not worry about going to the kiosk, the rapid antigen test kiosk that has been set up by the government for your test. Now let me tell you about the incident that happened yesterday, which I have on my phone. All right, the people were made to, get off the bus. Then the driver said that those who are not carrying a 72-hour prior test report, or who have taken only one dose, or who have not done testing, please stay back, and the others who have got the valid test report to go and show it to the officials at the kiosk. All right. Then he said that magajmani kyun karne ka, you pay me 250 rupees here and go back and sit in the bus. This has been very clearly recorded. This has happened inside Patra Devi.